Alright guys, today we're going to be going over the arc furnace for immersive engineering, and this one's a pretty complex build, so I laid it out here for you, but we're also going to build it together. So that's the first layer, then you got the second, this third, and this is the fourth and the fifth put together, so look at that from this way. So yeah, let's get to building this crazy thing. So first we're going to do the three heavy engineering blocks there, scaffolding on the sides. We're going to do steel blocks, half slabs like that, and then just going to want to fill it in all the way up to here except for the center, which you're going to put your cauldron in. Then next we want to go up the next layer, so it's engineering blocks, heavy engineering blocks right here. We'll put scaffolding in the middle, and then reinforced blast brick even with the heavy engineering blocks. Next is all the way across with light engineering blocks. Put your steel here, just like that, and then you're going to bring your reinforced blast brick all the way out over the cauldron. And then don't forget this little guy, that light engineering block in the corner. That was probably part of the second layer though, but whatever. Next, you want to take your scaffolding like this, put it like that, and then you're going to bring your blast brick out to right here like this. So that's what we got so far. The final step is you're going to just repeat this, except for smaller, like that. So to get this the arc furnace to turn into a multi-block machine, you're going to have to right-click on your cauldron right in the center, and now we can go over the furnace itself. So one thing you do need for this furnace is a lot of power, and you're going to need graphite rods or electrodes. And I'll show you how to make those in another video, but you can just right-click on it like any other machine, and you put these up in the top. That's going to allow you to smelt multiple items at the same time. So as the arc furnace is, you can make steel inside this, put the one ingredient here, one ingredient there, but it smelts 12 items at a time, so it's super fast. Its outputs right here, so you can drop a chest in there if you like. You can just see this thing in action. If you can find something to smelt, that'd be good. So auto outputs, you don't have to actually do anything with that. As long as you put a chest here, it can be controlled by redstone, so if you want to shut your arc furnace off, you can do that. Now, there is one thing back here. This is your slag output, just like any other machine, and if you notice here, you've got these three coils, so those are actually your power inputs for this machine. You don't have to send power into all of them, just one is fine. And then let's check this thing out. So if you notice, the graphite rods have a durability, so you are going to have to replace these once in a while, but it smelts it pretty fast. And it does double your ore too. And if you noticed, you saw the slag, it popped out the back here in that chest. So it also has the ability to smelt all of these at once. So if you think about it, for the amount of time it's doing this, you're getting 24 iron that quick. But that's pretty much it. If you want to look at a lot of the recipes it can do, it's basically like an induction smelter from Mine Factory. Or maybe that's thermal expansion, one of them, but either way. Except for it works faster, it's really cool, and just a ton of recipes in it. It can also smelt down armors, just like tankers can. So it's kind of a big all-in-one smeltery, and that's about it.